Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another quick Spanish lesson. Today, you're going to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Spanish. These numbers are used every day when shopping, telling your age, giving your phone number, and much more. Let's begin. In Spanish, 1 is uno. Pronounce it like this. Oh no. Repeat after me.
Uno, 2,
In Spanish, 2 is dos. Pronounce it like this.
dos,
Repeat after me.
dos,
3. In Spanish, 3 is tres. Pronounce it like this.
tres,
Repeat after me.
tres,
4. In Spanish, 4 is cuatro. Pronounce it like this.
cuatro,
Repeat after me.
cuatro,
In Spanish,
5,
5 is cinco. Pronounce it like this.
cinco,
Repeat after me.
cinco, 6,
In Spanish, 6 is seis. Pronounce it like this.
seis,
Repeat after me.
6, 7,
In Spanish, 7 is siete. Pronounce it like this. Siete. Repeat after me.
7, 8,
In Spanish, 8 is ocho. Pronounce it like this. Ocho. Repeat after me.
8, 9,
In Spanish, 9 is nueve. Pronounce it like this. Nwiva. Repeat after me.
9, 10,
In Spanish, 10 is diez. Pronounce it like this. Diez. Repeat after me.
10,
Now, let's continue from 11 to 20. 11 once. Pronounce it.
11,
12 doce. Pronounce it. Dohch.
dirten, 13,
Pronounce it.
trixie,
14 catorce. Pronounce it.
cateoezi,
15 quince. Pronounce it.
kinan,
16 diocesius. Pronounce it. Chesises. 17 diocesiate. Pronounce it. Diecisiete. 18 dieciaco. Pronounce it.
ravicho,
19 diecinueve. Pronounce it. Diecienwva. 20 veinte. Pronounce it.
bantif,
Repeat after me. Veinte.
Let's see some example sentences. How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? I am 20 years old. Tengo 20 años. I have 3 books. Tengo 3 libros. I want 5 apples. Quiero 5 manzanas. Fantastic! Today you learned how to count from 1 to 20 in Spanish. Practice these numbers every day by counting objects around you, your age, or even the money in your wallet. In our next lesson, we'll learn the days of the week in Spanish. So be sure to subscribe and keep practicing with us. Hasta luego. See you in the next lesson.